Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about keto diet for weight loss. The ketogenic diet, commonly known as the keto diet, has gained immense popularity in recent years as a powerful tool for weight loss and overall health improvement. This low-carb, high-fat diet has captivated the attention of individuals seeking an effective way to shed excess pounds, improve their energy levels, and potentially benefit from various health advantages. While the foundation of the keto diet is centered on food choices, several keto diet products have emerged to support those on their weight loss journey. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we'll explore the key aspects of the keto diet and delve into various keto diet products that can aid in achieving weight loss goals. Understanding the ketogenic diet. Before delving into keto diet products, it's important to understand the fundamental principles of the ketogenic diet. The keto diet is characterized by a drastic reduction in carbohydrate intake and a substantial increase in fat consumption, leading to a state of ketosis. In ketosis, the body shifts from using carbohydrates as its primary energy source to burning fat for fuel. This process is believed to promote rapid fat loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and a range of potential health benefits. Key macronutrient ratios in the keto diet. Low carbohydrates. The keto diet typically restricts daily carbohydrate intake to around 5–10% of total calories, which equates to roughly 20–50 grams of net carbs per day. Moderate protein. Protein consumption usually makes up 15–20% of total calories, as excessive protein can potentially hinder ketosis. High fat. The majority of daily caloric intake, roughly 70–75%, comes from healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and oils. Keto diet products for weight loss. Exogenous ketones. Exogenous ketones are supplements designed to boost ketone levels in the bloodstream, potentially enhancing the transition into ketosis and providing a quick energy source. These can be especially beneficial for individuals starting the keto diet, as they may help reduce the symptoms of the keto flu and improve workout performance. MCT oil. Medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are a type of fat that is rapidly converted into ketones. MCT oil is a popular keto product that can be added to coffee, smoothies, or salad dressings. Consuming MCT oil can increase ketone production and provide a quick energy boost, aiding in weight loss. Ketogenic snacks. Many companies now offer a wide range of keto-friendly snacks, from low-carb protein bars to cheese crisps and pork rinds. These snacks are designed to satisfy cravings and keep you on track with your diet, making it easier to adhere to your daily carbohydrate limits. Electrolyte supplements. When you're in ketosis, your body excretes more electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. This can lead to symptoms like fatigue, muscle cramps, and headaches. Electrolyte supplements can help replenish these essential minerals, promoting overall well-being while on the keto diet. Ketone testing strips. Monitoring your ketone levels is essential for tracking your progress on the keto diet. Ketone testing strips provide a simple way to measure ketosis by assessing the ketone levels in your urine or blood. They help ensure you are staying within the desired range for optimal fat burning. Keto-friendly cooking oils. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet is a cornerstone of the keto lifestyle. Products such as avocado oil, coconut oil, and ghee are excellent choices for cooking and baking while maintaining ketosis. Low-carb sweeteners. Traditional sugar is high in carbohydrates and not compatible with the keto diet. To satisfy your sweet tooth, you can turn to keto-friendly sweeteners like stevia, erythritol, and monk fruit sweetener. These alternatives can be used in baking and cooking to create keto-friendly desserts. Keto recipe books. Staying committed to the keto diet requires variety and creativity in your meal planning. Keto recipe books provide a wealth of inspiration and ideas to keep your diet exciting and delicious. They often include low-carb recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Ketogenic meal replacement shakes. On busy days or when you need a convenient option, keto meal replacement shakes can provide a well-balanced source of nutrients that align with your macronutrient goals. Keto-friendly supplements. Supplements such as omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and magnesium can support overall health and complement the keto diet. They help fill potential nutrient gaps and provide additional benefits, including improved heart health and better mood regulation. Conclusion. The keto diet has become a popular choice for individuals seeking to lose weight and improve their health. While the core of the keto diet revolves around food choices and macronutrient ratios, a range of keto diet products has emerged to support those on this weight loss journey. These products can enhance ketosis, provide essential nutrients, and make adhering to the diet more convenient. However, it's important to remember that no single product can replace the importance of a well-balanced, whole foods-based keto diet. Before starting any new diet or using keto products, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure that it's suitable for your individual needs and goals. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.